Hey everyone! So I have a different type of video today, not really intended for the world at large. It's more for a very specific subgroup of nerds. If you couldn't tell, I'm a nerd in many different rights, and one of the ways is because I love musical instruments and collect just way too many of them. And because my wife has told me to stop buying them, I've started printing them. Here's a little flute I printed, and a ocarina I printed. And I found this really cool file for a Baroque flute, and somebody on YouTube had a video. They were playing it. It sounded great. So I printed it all out. But it doesn't seem to work for me as in assembling it, so I wanted to see if anybody else has had this issue. So I'll link to the video below, and if you know anything about it, just let me know. So here's the headpiece. There's the hole you blow into. It works fine. A plug there. I put some cork on. Plugs up. Works great. And to here, I have the first part with some finger holes. That part fits nice and snug. I had to sand it a little to make it really fit well, and, but cool, sounds great. But this is where we start having more issues. So into this, nothing fits. So there's a few other pieces that are very loose. This is a tail piece. It shouldn't actually fit there because it needs more finger holes. And there's two more pieces with finger holes that fit into each other, but not into the mouthpiece. It seems like a whole different flute. So I don't know what is missing here. And then there's the tailpiece, and there's a little key that I'll just need to put a rubber band on, and hopefully that works. So if there's a missing link or something I just don't see, let me know. Please post in the comments or message me or figure out how to contact me. Smoke signal, carrier pigeon, I don't care. It just looks like a really cool instrument, and I would like it to work. Also, if you just happen to know any other cool instruments that I could 3D print, send them my way. Love to do this. My collection's getting larger despite my wife's wishes, and I'm very happy about it. Thank you very much.